This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alejandro Bendayan. Largest 2/2 model west/solarium and washer/dryer. See floor plan from original developers brochure. Ponte Verde at Palm Beach Lakes is a gated community offering resort-style living. 2 indoor racquetball courts, tennis courts, 2 resort-style swimming pools, west/sundeck and heated spa, state-of-the-art fitness center, security and more. Parking for residents by decal provided by condo associates. Good condition west/ceramic tiled floors throughout, new blinds as requested by condo associates. Subjet to lease to long-term excellent tenants. Current lease expires on February 28, 2021, $1,300 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Alejandro Bendayan at 305-785-3906.